Hello all. This is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 25 of my 100-day AI journey. For this day, I tried to explore some of the AI tools and I found out that once the Google Whisk was there where we can create the bulk images, but on April 20th we got the baddest news that the Google Whisk has been deleted or maybe banned or it totally removed from the Google space. So as a creator or maybe for anyone who is trying to create images, the bulk images, or is trying to create the storyboards with the use of Whisk, they are unable to do that thing. They used to make this, let me show you one. This is the bulky gen, the AI automation for images, which is the one of the extension, the Chrome extension to be used for the Whisk. But and another was there, the Whisk automation to create the create the maximum number of bulk images to create some videos on later point of time. But the main thing is that currently with the new Google updates we have the Google Whisk, but it is not as a separate tool right now, it is embedded in this Google Flow. Now you can create again the similar kind of images, the scenes, and also the specific theme that you want or the styles that you prefer to your image to look like. There is one more addition point is there, that's called the remix. So let me show you. Click on get started. Okay, this is explore tools. Okay, once you click on the explore tools, you will come onto this page and you will be having this many of tools by given by Google. Come below, you will find the Whisk. This is a separate tool. Every tool has their own purpose and these are all being integrated with the Google Flow, right? So for the Google Whisk, click on this Google Whisk and you will come into the similar interface what you had previously, right? The subject, the scene, and also the style. But for the bulk image creation, I think currently we won't be able to do this as it is being totally integrated with the Google Flow. Fine. So let me start with the Whisk subject creation. You can create the multiple subjects also. So let me click on two subjects and to find, say for example, I'm trying to find some prompts to create the subjects. So we have the prompt library space. Click on this and you can get enormous amount of prompts from here. Some are being uh, paid or you need to subscribe to get that particular prompt, or else there are free prompts out there, you can easily get it. Let me copy this prompt. Okay, this is for my one of the subject. Paste it, generate. Now let me go for the second one, because we will be trying out that whether the subject remains the constant or not. In the previous Whisk, always the subject, whatever the prompt and whatever the image reference we used to give, the subject used to remain the constant and we used to move around those subject to narrate a story, to create a systematic motion where we can particularly get the idea that how we want our story to be, and the subject and the multiple subject to be as it is. There should be not even an inch or centimeter change here and there. So that is what we are trying to find it right now in the Whisk, that whether the subject, the scene, or anything gets changed or not. And let me also define the scene prompt also. I'll use the simple language. Your you are in the middle of a playground. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so this is the image that we got. Fine. Okay, let me create this show images. So this is the image, and say okay, see, as my prompt is not that much of exact, it's not giving me the right right image what we are expecting. That I was expecting that this guy or this guy will be in the middle of a playground where there will be the much larger audiences will be there cheering for it up. So I was thinking like that, but as my prompt is so much of vague, I'm not getting the realistic image for that thing. Okay, now say in the dusk. Okay, I am using some of my previous images. Now there is a interesting part is there. Here, click on the subject which you want to create that particular story. Okay, I have created the first image as my reference, and I have chosen the style also. Okay, this is not the exact style or the image that needs to be there, but I have chosen it. Okay, as I've clicked on these two images, let me write the prompt that the person is standing in front of that sea facing the camera. Now it will try to generate with the use of this image and the last image. So you can try it out that whether which subject or which scene or which style match exactly what you want. And this is the upgrade to remix. I'll show you in the another pro version accounts. See, right, that is what you want. You are choosing one of the character and one of the style or the scene, and you want to be merge this together to get the better output with this particular two images. So similarly you can add the multiple or n number of images, and you can try to connect all of them together. Fine, this is the whisk result, one of the result, and this is the second image. You can start, see, this is the view, or else you can create, see, there will be not much of difference, but yes. And say if you are choosing this image and this image, now say uh, the uh, kids have surrounded the car. Fine, now what I've chosen, this image and this image. Here the boy is sitting over a car roof, and here the kids are playing in the playground. Right, now I've given the prompt that the kids will be surrounding the car where the guy is sitting. So let me see what I can get as the output from here. Fine, okay. If you are using the kids that is below 18 years of age, then it may give you some restrictions. Fine. So just for my sample purpose, I've used it. See, the kids are surrounding that car who is sitting over the car rooftop. Fine. So here currently, as the bulk images options are not there, you can create this kind of images with the use of multiple reference images. Fine. Now let me show you, as this is the normal free version of my this Google Flow or my Google. This is not a pro version or the ultra version, it's a normal free version. So that is why it's showing the upgrade to remix. Fine, let me get into this another version. Okay, this is my pro version. Here let me show you what we can do with the use of the remix. Come down, this is my Whisk. There is an option called remix tool. Fine, click on the remix tool and it will be shown that this subject, scene and the style will be all remixed together. See, tool remixed and added to your gallery. Dismiss. Now let me ask a prompt to Gemini only. Okay. Okay, I had previously given this. Let me write a new prompt. Give me a Whisk remix prompt about a female who is driving a red Ferrari in front of large audience in the dusk. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't want give me a I told her to give me a prompt. Why it's generating an image? Okay, let me use this prompt over here. I've given the subject, this style and also the scenery, and automatically it will generate everything. And let's see, it's not that much of clear, right? I can say after using this AI for so many days, or say at least for a year or a year and a half, I can say that currently in the market, the OpenAI or the ChatGPT with the newer model GPT 5.5 version is creating much more realistic images than the other LLMs over or the AI assistants are there. Fine, see, with the use of the single prompt, the scene, the subject, and also the style I have dedicated, and it has given me this kind of result. Fine. So this was little bit of that Whisk, uh, because I have tried also Whisk long before, and suddenly it got away from all of us, and I found out somehow this Whisk is there in this flow tool, and for which I made this video. So if you think that it can help you in some way or the other, please like this and subscribe my channel so that I can share you any interesting things of new AI tools, of new what I'm learning. You can go through my journey so that later I can try to improve and give you more suggestions. So that's all from my end. Thank you everyone.